Yeah, just like at the beach, except we're in Joanne Fabric's parking lot. Ooh, it scared him. Scared to pull his damn bumper off, he ain't careful. Jeez, what a dumbass. Redneck. Oop. I think he's just supposed to put it neutral, like. Throw some more bread out there here. Let me look. I can get some here. I hope you guys enjoy the bread. I spent 75 cents on it. Some little kid in Africa would love to eat it, but I'm feeding it to seagulls. God, I love America. There's enough bread for everybody. Trying to dig for the bread with one hand and hold the phone straight in the other. There you go. Eat all the bread, guys. It's all yours. I'll drive away here and then I can get to it better. Oh yeah, lunch. Lunchy, lunchy, lunch. Alright. Well, I'm gonna head home, so enjoy the bread, you guys. Toodles.